Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install Java 22 on Windows 11 machine. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. Open your favorite browser as I'm on Chrome and type here Java Oracle. And click on the first link. Now move to downloads. From here, you can see the latest one is JDK 2022. And from here, we are on Windows. So click on Windows. And from here, we'll download the second one, the exe one. Click on download. So it will take a little time according to internet speed. For the time saving purpose, I already download this one. I'll go to the download folder and just we have to run the setup. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Now you follow the instructions, click on next. Yes, I will use the default path in program file Java JDK 22. Click on next. Now it will take a little time to install. So click on close. So we have installed the Java 22, JDK 22 in our Windows machine. So what we need to do now, we have to go to our C drive in program files, Java, JDK, bin, and we have to copy this path and we have to set in environment variables. And go to search and type here env and click on environment variables. From here, click on environment variables. Scroll down in system variables. We have to go to path and click on new here and just add the path we have copied from previous steps and click on OK, OK, OK. Now just open to verify the installation. CMD, press enter and type here Java. So you can see Java is installed in our machine right now. So let's start to create the first program. So as in any language we start learning, the first program is hello world. So just go to any of your directories. PC, I'm going to D drive, and from here, creating a new directory, JDK 2022. Inside that, I'm creating a file with the name, create the name hello world. Hello world. Dot, make sure Java. Click on OK, and after that, open the file. I'm using the default editor notepad. Just paste the code and we need to open command prompt here, open terminal. Now type here Java C and exact name of the file. You can start with the name and just press tab, so it will complete the file name. Click enter. There is an error. So let's try to run again. It was spell mistake. So you can see the directory now. After that, we have two files, Java class and Java. Okay, now we can run with just typing Java hello world. Don't need to type class in front of that and click enter. So you can see hello world is there. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below. Subscribe the channel and like the video.